Hi, I'm Jonathan Wexler, the product manager for several of our data mining solutions here at SAS. SAS Factory Miner is a browser-based tool that enables you to build models for every segment of your business, all with a few clicks. The system utilizes a variety of machine learning techniques to identify the best performing models within each of your segments. In a world where there's a need for precise targeting, analyzing hundreds, if not thousands of segments, the primary goal was to create a solution that provides flexibility, reusability, collaboration, and the latest analytic techniques. Let's take a closer look at SAS Factory Miner. I started up my local browser and I logged into SAS Factory Miner. What you're looking at is a project that I've already run, and the segmentation scheme is broken down by loyalty status and state. And across each one of these segments, the system generated a champion model. It looked across a variety of machine learning techniques, including random forest, neural networks, and other techniques. You also get model fit statistics associated with each one of your segments. In this case, there were 121 models. All of those models process asynchronously. They were able to take advantage of the parallel processing power of my underlying architecture. So how did I get started with a project? Once I read in my data, all you need to do is select the modeling techniques that you want to run across each one of these segments. As I mentioned, you have a variety of machine learning techniques from Bayesian networks to support vector machines, decision trees, and so on to test in each one of these segments. Now, all of these modeling techniques are consumable and portable. What that means is that I can generate my own technique and share it with other users in the system. So it truly utilizes best practices. Within each of these templates are editable components. So all I need to do to create a technique is to drag and drop my modeling filters or my modeling properties onto this palette. I can then create my own modeling method. In this case, I'm going to create bins, select my variables, and to build a regression model. Again, all of these methods are shareable. Now, once I've run my project, what I want to do is drill into a specific segment that has certain characteristics. Now, using this nice faceted filter, imagine you had thousands of segments. I can quickly drill into the particular segment that has a particular feature. In this case, I wanted to look at segments that have a KS statistic of less than 0.572. I'm going to drill into segment 11. Once you drill into the segment, you get a listing of the models that it ran and which model was a champion model. In this case, you can see that the random forest template was chosen as the champion model, as it had the highest KS statistic. If I scroll down, you will see that you get plots that lets you assess each one of the models in the system. You also get charts that explain misclassification and also list variable importance, so you can make informed decisions about the viability of the model. As you click on different models in the segment, you will get different output. I can highlight a decision tree and then drill in to try to understand why my decision tree split at certain nodes. So you can drill in and then make changes. For each model in the system, I can make changes to the model. So it's not black box. I can open up the results and then change settings very quickly. So what if I wanted to add in log-based transformations? All I would do is drag on transform variables and then highlight done. I can also compare models in the system. The system generates champion models for me, but what if I wanted to make my own decision about the viability of a model? We present you with model comparison plots that allow you to make decisions about which model could be the champion model and allows you to make decisions about the important variables across each one of your models. You get a thermometer plot that compares the significance of variables across your models. The wider the bar, the more significant the variable is relative to other models in your segment. Once you're satisfied with your models, you can download your scorecode. All of these models generate SAS scorecode. What that means is you can either score those using SAS, or you can score these inside a database or inside Hadoop within a few clicks. So you have truly begun an analytical lifecycle that lets you also rebuild the models over time and track the viability so that you can build the best models for your segmentation scheme. That was a brief look at SAS Factory Miner. Thanks for watching. Please visit SAS.com for more information about this exciting new product.